In this video, I'm sharing my lemon cream cheese filling from my book. You can get this book on Amazon, the link is below. 1 package, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 6 tablespoons of softened butter, and 3 cups of confectionery sugar that you have sifted. Juice of half a lemon, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Mix the cream cheese and the butter until it's nice and fluffy and soft. Add your liquid lemon juice and vanilla. And then the sugar. I'm going to add 2 cups of sugar, mix it around a little bit, and then add the 3rd cup. Oh my goodness, it is so good. The small batch recipe in my book makes 3 cups, and that's enough for an 8 or 9-inch cake. Now I needed it for a wedding cake, so I used the book and my charts in the book to figure out how much I needed to make for this wedding cake coming up. Stay tuned for that video. Now if you're interested in my book, the paperback is on Amazon, the link is below, and the digital versions also are on my Teespring shop, which is right below the video. You'll see my digital books, my t-shirts, and you can check those out over there. I made some sample cupcakes for Scott and I to enjoy later, and they were so good. Actually, we already ate them. This is the next day. Stay tuned because next week I'll be putting a wedding cake together with the carrot cake and the cream cheese filling. I would also like to thank Molly and Arlette for sending me these pictures of them and their amazing aprons that I designed over on ZAZZLE. Links are below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.